Hey guys, the Rage here. So we want to do a quick unboxing of this built-in laptop. This is a 15.6 inch display. So let me just carefully take it out of the package over here. And we have stuff falling off a bit. It comes nice and protected, as you can see it. There it is. Oh. Alright, so this has 16 gigs of memory, 512, this is nice, look at that, 512 gigs, and we have a 3.4 megahertz processor, nice, and it's a very nice screen, 1080p, of course, and a very nice keyboard as well. Yeah, we have SD card directly in here, regular USB. We have the key lock. We have a USB-C port as well, and plus two USB, the fast ones. So very good. Actually, there's two USB-C ports. Nice. So this is a Pentium inside. There's a power button. I'm gonna turn it on. Also, we have a built-in camera right here. Has super and with a built-in privacy mirror, privacy block thing. So that's very nice. You can just flip a switch, it's integrated, your privacy is guaranteed. So this has Intel inside, and we're booting up now. Great battery life, by the way. Very nice laptop. Very good size. Not very heavy, which is nice. I mean, you have a nice rubber padding over here in the back to prevent slipping, which is very nice. And let's see what else. Speakers, and yeah. I mean, the screen will never look this clean again, because I'm always touching the screen, but actually this one does not leave a mark. So this is an IPS screen, so it's very nice quality. And Windows is booting up for the first time, and 3.4 gigahertz. That's pretty nice. That's really super fast speed. It'd be great to do everything that you need. A nice large trackpad with a click function. So some of them they include it, but they don't click. So yeah, it's very nice. So I'm gonna be using this as my basically workstation. I'm gonna do all my work in it, and there it is. This is Windows booting up for the first time, and it's alive. That didn't take long at all. So just gotta go through the configuration. All that. Very bright monitor, by the way. I think there is a brightness here where we might have to tune it down, because that's if I put full brightness, you can see how bright that gets. That gets super bright, and I have lights on all around. So you know what I mean. So that tells you how bright this thing can get. So I just put it way down, just because it will show better on the camera anyways. And honestly, it's really bright, so I don't need it that bright. And it's early morning here, so. But that's it, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. It's very good design, like I said. Great battery life. Very good quality, and I really like it. So looking forward to setting it up, and I don't want to do that over here with you guys, because it'll take time and stuff like that, but just setting it up Windows and gonna go through updates as Windows does. So but this is a great laptop, and thank you guys for tuning in and watching. So if you're looking for a laptop, this is a solid, you got my recommendation. So all right, take care, bye.